Hi, our friends at CLAPE sent me this snowflake beanie that I want to share with you. It's so beautiful, and you know, this channel is about the holidays and Christmas, so I wanted to make sure that you take a look at how beautiful this snowflake beanie is. It's really thick. It feels like wool. It's not made out of wool. It feels really thick and really well made. And this rolled over like rollover pants, this makes it really nice and thick, and it's elastic. Let me put it on so you can see, because this is gonna cover really nice my ears, you see. So it covers the ears really nice, and it looks really nice. So you see, this is how it looks on the top, in the back. Super recommended how well made these beanies are, and they come in a couple of variations. This is the inside, so you see how well made it is, with double stitching in the inside, really nice. And of course it's double in the sides, you see, in the sides is double, so it's very thick and fits super nice for the nice wintry months. Super recommended.